Hello everyone, in this video I will unbox the ASMAX Smart Air Pump with Jump Starter T20 for you and demonstrate the detailed operation, tutorial and the use of each function. T20 can quickly inflate various tires, balloons, etc. and also has a real-time display of air pressure, LED emergency lighting and USB output power supply. Last but not least, it also comes with a Jump Starter function. Let's take a look. The packaging and accessories of the T20 are very concise, including the Smart Air Pump unit, the 12-volt Smart Jumper cord, clamp for Jump Starter, the Quick Connect air hose for inflating the American air nozzle, the French air nozzle connector, the air needle for inflating balls, the Type-C charging cable, the portable storage bag, and the instruction manual. We can see that there's a 12-volt car motorcycle starter port, an LED display, a Type-C charging port, a USB output port, an air charging port, and an LED emergency light on the air pump unit. To turn on the power, no button needs to be pressed. Once connected, the green light will turn on, indicating that it's powered. Next, let's demonstrate how to start the power system. Step 1. First insert the 12-volt Smart Jumper cable into the 12-volt car jumper start port on the device. Step 2. Locate your car's battery. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Step 3. Wait for the green light on the clamps to turn on. This indicates that power has been detected. If a red light turns on instead, it means the connection is reversed or there is a short circuit. In this case, switch the red and black clamps. Step 4. Now you are ready to press the start button in the car to start the engine. Next, let's go over the functions of the air pump. To power on the device, simply press and hold the fifth button for 3 seconds. The top of the screen will show the current detected air pressure. The middle section displays the preset pressure value and battery level, while the bottom section shows the available preset modes. You can short press the second button, the mode key, to cycle through different modes: car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and custom. Short press the U button to switch the pressure units. To adjust the preset pressure value, short press the up or down buttons. Long pressing these buttons will allow for faster adjustment. Finally, the first button, the LED key, controls the LED light. Short press once to turn the light on, then press again to switch to strobe mode, SOS mode, then off. Next, let me show you how to inflate with a T20 air pump. First, connect the American hose, Quick Connect air pipe to the air pump interface. Insert it and rotate it half a circle. Most car, motorcycles and bicycles use this American valve interface. We directly tighten this end of the interface to the tire valve. At this point, the screen will display the detected real-time air pressure value. Switch to the corresponding value and short press the on key to start inflating. It will last for about 2 minutes. After inflating to the preset value, it will automatically stop inflating. Check the appropriate pressure value in advance. We need to pay attention to the fact that the preset tire pressure of the T20 is suitable for most inflation objects. But in order to ensure safety, please check the inflation pressure required by the inflation object in advance to avoid safety hazards caused by overinflation or underinflation. In addition, after inflation, when we unscrew the air pipe, the joint of the air pipe should be very high temperature due to long-term use. Do not contact it for a long time to avoid burns. The above are all the instructions for the functions of the ASMAX T20 Smart Air Pump with Jump Starter. I hope everyone can have a convenient and reliable experience during use. Thank you again for your support of ASMAX.